Welcome to Free Arts Academy. Today we're going to teach you a little bit about acrylic pour painting. Today's video features a minimal waste, low cost acrylic dirty pour painting method using fall colors. And at the end, we'll show you how to make your own drying rack. Here are some of the materials we used for today's demonstration. Each bottle of paint is about 50 cents a piece. Don't forget to wear an apron and gloves to protect your clothing and skin. Remember, when you're adding a new color, pour the paint in slowly and gently as you can so that the colors don't mix before you get to pour it. This method is efficient and low waste because we use a glass jar and we scoop out the paint using a clean palette knife. We've made our own drying rack and we've used no plastic cups that we just have to throw away. Using this dirty pour method gets really interesting when we start to let the paint swirl around on the canvas. You can see that we change the orientation of the canvas periodically and kind of jiggle it to get the paint moving around. We mentioned before that this method is low waste, and this little technique here can help you to use the paint that's fallen off the canvas already. Simply scoop the paint up with a clean palette knife and kind of pour it back onto the canvas as you need. Here's how we made an easy and cheap DIY acrylic pour painting drying rack. Thanks for joining us. Did that demonstration help you in your own acrylic pour painting adventures? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more art demonstrations.